territory.
Okay.
He's
listening.
There's one hiding in the bushes.
Yeah. There he goes. Looks like a
crow.
Look at him go. He looks like a sewing machine.
True. Yeah. Oh. Gonna have a little action here, huh?
We have quite an interesting little group of animals out here. We've got those guys, and then we had the parakeet, and we've got the dove, and that protects everybody. That Flicker is going after it. Well, we won't have an ant problem.
Oh, no, not with these guys. No.
Ah.
Boy, they're hitting the territory.
Yeah.